Manitoba First Nations Education Resource Center is located in Manitoba, Canada. Part of our mandate is to support Indigenous communities which are taking over their own education. And we're part of that, providing the communities digital services, but also all kinds of education resourcing.
We have around 2,300 students in our school system, and then we also provide services to another 11,000 students throughout Manitoba.
A lot of the new technologies are not really present in these communities because they are so remote. So we have to make access to digital resources as easy as possible. And as we started to research, we came across ClassLink.
The Launchpad is the starting point for all of our students. It allows them to single sign on without having to remember more passwords, more usernames. My Classes is an app within the Launchpad that is set up as kind of an online classroom. The teacher who teaches multiple subjects can have individualized apps for that particular class on the My Classes page. We use the roster server to roster all of the students into our third-party apps that we've teamed up with.
Student data comes in from the student information system within their class groupings, and then roster server is able to just roster them. So now schools don't have to purchase licensing for their whole school. By using roster server, we could take one teacher's class and give them individual licenses.
It is seamless, it is secure, and there's no excess data going through.
Protecting the student data has become part of our agreement to the communities.
A lot of times with third-party apps, we don't need to send all of the data over to them. With ClassLink Data Guard, we're able to encrypt the information that is sent over to the third-party vendors, scrambling the PII, personally identifiable information, so we don't have to give them any more information than is needed.
As we're purchasing more individual products, we use the analytics to see who's logging in, who's using the apps.
We can see how much time they are spending within the apps.
We don't have an unlimited budget, so we want to track the usage and make sure that those products are being used and that it's the best use of money.
OneSync takes the information from the student information system and allows us to create Active Directory accounts and distribute them to other systems. I can customize the filter that brings in our information really well. And then I can also customize everything about that Active Directory account. You can even write scripts and have it run scripts based off of the information.
OneSync's very valuable for us because it gets us accurate data on a daily basis, which helps to keep our licensing accurate in all our products. So we know that we're not providing licensing for students who have moved on or for staff members who are not working for us anymore.
With all the ClassLink products, we can deliver more technology to the students. We can get them into computers faster and more efficiently now.
Schools that we're servicing have got unique needs and challenges. ClassLink has been able to support us, provide SSO, provide licensing, provide a lot of these digital tools that our communities didn't have, so they can develop their own curriculum and their own way of doing things.